Woo! Woo! Beyonce has taken me out of hiding of late because today I'm going to do a try on haul of some of the goodies I have been able to get from Ivypark. You guys have seen it everywhere. Do you ever feel like there's a party that you weren't invited to, right? And you see all the pictures on Facebook or Instagram and you're like, wow, well, I really wish I wanted to be there. If you guys do not know, Beyonce released a collection with Adidas. This is the Ivypark collection. And you know what? This is a sign of greatness because, let's be real, Ivypark was actually initially a collaboration with Topshop. And Topshop are going under. But Beyonce decided to take her greatness, take back ownership, and relaunch with a bang. Coming through with the Ivypark collection. Listen, on Beyonce's Instagram, it was really, the wow has got to come back, but it was really a wow. She was really coming through with body, angles, outfits, color, flipping. I can't explain it. She was looking good, looking like a chicken bone. And seeing Beyonce dip and dive and show us that she still got it, that she's here, she never left, has been fantastic. And then what rubbed more salt into the wound was seeing everybody else come out with the collection. I'm missing out. So yeah, I feel like I wasn't really invited to the party because I didn't get one of those crates from Beyonce. But it's okay, I got my own crate. I got my own crate with my own coin. That's okay. Here's my crate of Ivypark goodness I purchased myself so I can have a freaking moment. Thank you, Beyonce. So I went onto the Adidas site to go ahead and pick up some of the pieces. Let me be real, I was a little bit late and so many items had sold out. And I was completely surprised by the prices of the items. I feel like the prices are relatively okay. There were definitely some higher price items, but they kept within the price range of Adidas and maybe a little bit more expensive. And that for me was an AAA+. So if we go ahead and review the collection on the website before I get into wearing the outfits, I'll show you what I think. So firstly, I can say that the thickness of Beyonce is really making me really happy and glad, and I actually feel really good in myself because if you guys don't know, I had a baby 5 weeks ago, so I'm really thick around the middle. Around the hips, just thick everywhere right now. Shapewear is my friend to suck everything in, but seeing Beyonce's additional hips and booty, you know, it makes me feel quite good with it. Hold on, have they restocked? These bitches have restocked. They haven't restocked. But yeah, it makes me feel really good within myself. Also, I'm not going to take any Beyonce slander. I've seen the other Brits out here comparing the collection to the Sainsbury's uniform. Yeah, I saw that on Twitter. I'm not going to lie. It kind of does look like a Sainsbury's uniform. The colorways are basically the same as the Sainsbury's uniform. Now, for all my US followers, Sainsbury's is kind of like a Walmart. Is it Walmart? Where you get your groceries from, and like a big chain one, and the colors are exactly the same as Sainsbury's. So with the collection, there is a choice of sweat tops, long sleeves, short sleeves, t-shirts. There are the sportswear, lots of leggings and bralettes and short. She's also got the hats and the harnesses, the stuff that's a little bit more affordable. And they have the Ivypark night jogger shoes as well, which I have been able to get a few pairs of those because they look so cute. Now, there were the other pieces such as the jumpsuit and the bodysuit that were banging. Oh my gosh. Everything come through. Stop it now, Beyonce. This bodysuit here, oh, and the way the wind is blowing and the confidence you elude. Oh my gosh. Oh, why the shoe is hanging off the arse, I don't understand. But that bodysuit, wow. But I've got my pieces here. I'm going to try them on and show you what they look like. I don't have everything. I've still got some stuff coming, but what's happened to my delivery? Something's happened to part of my delivery, but we move. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. This is the first try and I've done post-birth, so give your girl a thumbs up. Feeling a little body conscious, but lucky we've got the shapewear on. I'm gonna go in with the smallest items first because I might as well. Cycling shorts. Not only are these short and tight, they also have a mesh panel on the side. This is a really nice material, really nice quality. The band is so fabulous and I love this maroon color. And then I have the sports bra. I'm a little bit annoyed at the sports bra because I thought it had the shawl that comes with it as well, but it doesn't. We're gonna roll with it as it is. And I'm praying that I don't have milk coming out of these. The elephant in the room. I really don't know what to do with boobs that are this big, unfortunately. So here we have sports bra. I can't lie, my boobs are really massive at the moment, filled with milk. But I do love, love, love the look of this sports bra. But I just feel like I'm just giving too much. I think if someone had smaller boobs, then this would look really, really nice. Look at that crossback. That crossback is actually really, really nice. It's a size small. Clearly, I should probably go for a medium. But this bangs. This is still really cute. Okay, here are the shorts. Now, I'm going to 100% tell you right now, I still feel a little uncomfortable. As I said, I am post-birth. So, I'm 5 weeks post. Still have my linea negra here. Still have my mum pouch. But I will say that the shorts are still really, really cute. As a two-piece set, I love how this looks together. It's a little strong though. It's very much drawing attention to the vaginal region with this kind of cut right here. But I love it. I love how this feels on. This feels really like shaping. It feels really soft. It feels really nice. And together they look really good. Would I feel motivated to work out if I had this on? I would be scared of too many people looking at me in the gym like, damn girl, damn. Now it's winter over here in England and I wouldn't be going anywhere like this. But if I was in like the beach in Miami, I'd be like running down the street, acting like I'm all fit. But really, I just wanted you guys to see my outfit. That's all it is. I feel like my butt looks huge and you definitely want to wear a thong with this. If not, you're going to have some extreme VPL. Do I think this is a good look? Yeah. Am I a fan? Yeah. Do I feel hot, Beyonce and flawless? Yeah. So next up, I've got the short sleeve sweat top. I could not get my hands on the long sleeve sweat top. It had sold all the way out. This is beautiful in regards to material. I can't tell you what kind of material this is. I don't know what it is, but it is beautifully made, beautifully woven, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's not like that fleecy sweat top, completely different. Oh, I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh. This bangs. This is really nice. It's a really nice fabric. I like the way it drops. I like the fact that it's actually longer than I thought. Oh, on the website, this was being styled with the body harness. Is this the body harness or is this the bag? I'm not really sure. How are we meant to wear this? Is this like a backpack? It might need a how-to video. I really think this might be the body harness bag, but I really don't know how to get that on. And in one of the shots, I saw Beyonce just wearing it like this. We'll take it. Fashion, innovation, fashion. Are we wearing our bags like this nowadays? Not quite sure. But I can't lie, I like a good hooded sweatshirt, and this is it. This is really, really nice. And you can wear it with the top inside. I actually picked up this top. This is the football top. I love this long sleeve t-shirt. Oh, this one is so nice as well. This. Oh! Look at the details. Look at the details. Look at the details. The details. I don't know why I like this. This is giving me soccer top. You know, for all my football fans or soccer fans out there, this is the same kind of material, but then I like the fit and how it looks. Oh, I really like this. This is a really nice soccer top. This is a really nice outfit. Gosh, I'm loving this. I wish I had the long leggings. I wish I had the long leggings right now. Okay, have to show you the trainers. I picked up the maroon ones. So the right foot has this little clippy thing, keyring thing on, which I actually quite like. I do really like the maroon, but I also picked up the two-way ones as well. I saw these on Hailey Bieber and I thought they looked so banging that I was like, oh, okay, Okay, I'll try a two-way neon maroon shoe. I never thought that would be my vocabulary, but Beyonce's put it in there. And I feel like these, both of them, any one of them would look great with this outfit, no? Honestly, I can't lie, as an outfit, I am living for this. My legs will be a little bit cold in London. That's fine. We'll do that for Beyonce. That's okay. Ooh, I like this. Yes. Come through, details. Come through, Beyonce. Got me out of my house. She's got me out of my house. Do you know, I've never felt this cute in sportswear in my whole life. So this is crazy. Next up, we have the tracky bottoms. These are called like cargo pants, but I thought they would be the hard cargo material that's a little bit like parachute material. It's not that kind of cargo. Again, it's more of a sweat material with the neon orange on the side. We continue in this theme and I'm here for it. Sainsbury's who? Do you know what? It's really wearable. It's really, really, really wearable. It's like you'd actually see people wearing it. It's a wearable collection, which I actually really, really like. A bit sporty, a bit casual, but wearable. Look at these. They fit so nice. And actually, I'm going to bring the boobs out. Like, as a set, how good is this? The cargo pants, I love. They're really warm. They're really nice. Oh, we've got zips. This makes me really wish I didn't live in England though, because it's just too cold and rainy for this ish. But not these. I would then wear the full sweat outfit. But I think this looks really nice. I think this looks really, really nice together. Now, I'm going to say I'm a bit biased. Why am I a bit biased? Because I am a fan. I'm a Beyonce fan. But these are some really good cargo trousers. Really good. And then we have this sweatshirt, your classic sweatshirt. Though it's not in your classic sweat material, because it just feels a little bit heavier than normal sweat tops. We've got the Ivypark embroidered in on the sleeve. I just love the detail. Attention to detail. It makes us happy. You know what? Now I feel like I work in Sainsbury's. The two together don't work. I feel like I thought that I was really gonna like the combined look. It's kind of alright, but I kind of like the contrast of the like off-white and then the maroon rather versus all maroon. Let me see it with just the shorts. So here's the sweatshirt with just the shorts. Again, I don't love the sweatshirt because it isn't really giving me that much compared to everything else. I don't hate it. I don't love it. So guys, those are all the goodies I have from Ivypark right now. I've got more stuff coming, but it isn't here yet because your girl got sold out. I'm gonna say I'm gonna be a little bit biased because I am a fan. Do I think that the items are nice? Yes. Are they all my style? No, because I'm not really a sweatshirt and jogging bottoms kind of girl anyway. But I think that the material is really nice. But obviously it's in partnership with Adidas, who are a well-respected sports brand. So I'm not expecting them to come out with cheap, shitty material. No, that was not the case. If anything, it seems slightly elevated than your classic Adidas. From a price perspective, it's Adidas plus like an extra £10. I feel like that's what it is. And I'm not mad. Like, it's Beyonce's billionaire name on it. I don't think there's anything really, really unique besides the jumpsuit. And like some of the windbreakers are really nice. Those are the things that are really unique. But the other stuff is more casual sportswear, which is really interesting because I feel like you never really see Beyonce wearing that. She's always dressed up, glammed to the gods. It's nice to see this other side to her. But yeah, that's it. That's those Ivypark goods. All right, guys, that is it for me. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.